Yeah. Any doubt? Any doubt in previous questions? Any doubt in that previous question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can we go with the second and one more application part? Yes. In this question, a bag has rupees 750 in the form of rupees 2 coins, 1 coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coins, and 50 pice coins in the ratio 5:9:12. Then find the number of coins of each type of. So a bag contains what I said, children. A bag contains how much? Bag contains rupees 750. Rupees 750. So how it is? Coins are like rupee 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coins, as well as 50 rupee coins. It is like that. So what you supposed to do? How many coins? Ratio is given, children. Ratio. What is the ratio given here? Ratio of the coins is given here is 5:9:12. Ratio is whatever the ratio is given as 5:5:9:12. 9:12. You need to find the individual. So how many 2 rupee coins? How many 1 rupee coins? How many 50 pice coins? That is
Ma'am, so what you have to do is 5 plus 9 plus 12.
directly. If you supposed to do directly, it is not. Is it directly how you supposed to do, Harini, here? Because the
No, ma'am, you have to convert rupees into
very good. You have to convert the rupees into
paisa.
yes, paisa. Or else what you supposed to do for 2 rupees? So same units you supposed to convert rupees and paisas here. So 2 rupees means how many 50 pice coins you will get, ma? 2 rupees means how many 50 pice coins?
25.
No, Nana.
4, ma'am.
For 2 rupees, how many 50 pice coins you will get?
Ma'am, 4.
4. For 1 rupee?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
2. For 50 pice, as usual, no need of that. This is one way. Or else you can go directly with how you supposed to go directly here? In rupees, 50 pice means half rupee you can convert and you can go like that also one way. Which way we can go, children, right now? So 5 into 2 rupees coins. Can we convert into rupees or can we convert into paisa? Because here we have in answer is in rupees.
Ma'am, so convert into paisa.
So probably convert into rupees, Nana. First, this one is rupees 2 rupee coin. This is a rupee 1 rupee coin. This is a 50 pice coin. These are the here. So if rupees 2 means a ratio 5 into 2x. Can I write as a 5 into 2x? Yes. Or else a 5x into 2. Why? Because suppose the amount collected, number of 5 coins, suppose number of 2 coins, if you take as x means how many 2 coins you will get, children? Ratio is given 5. So 5x into 2 plus 9 into 9x into 1 because 1 rupee coins. So amount collected from these coins, you will get half. Here it's 12. 12 multiplied with 1 rupee, 50 pice is nothing but half rupee, right, children? Into x. So this is the way you can equate to amount, total amount it is in the bag is rupees 750. Only if you convert this equation, 5 2s are 10x here plus 9 1s are 9, 9x. Here 12 into 12 1s are 12. How many times? 12 6 are. It's nothing but 6x equal to 750. Now you have to combine 10 plus 9 plus 6. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6 is?
25.
25x equal to 750. X equal to how much, children? 25 ones are 25 3 times, so 30.
30. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Raghav.
Ma'am, where are these questions, ma'am? Because
Raghav, only the part, application part I am taking from the competitive examinations, Raghav. Why, Raghav? You want the question or else?
I know, ma'am. I just asked because we couldn't see the question.
No, it is not there in your NCRT. Actually, it is from competitive examinations. Some other
Okay.
competitive examinations, I collected a few questions in ratios, few questions from proportion.
Okay, ma'am.
Bit and previous bit, last two bits are from the competitive examination. It is given earlier also. One of your classmates is also asked this question long back. I think Aditi, you are asking, right, Aditi? Some exam I got the same question, ma'am. Can you help please? Aditi,
No, ma'am. I didn't
is
know.
it Aditi or Ahana? Long back they just said the word, ma'am. This is happened. Is it Srusti? I'm not sure who is asking.
I asked.
Okay. See, children, here how you are going to convert a given ratio, you have to check. So, because it is the amount is given in rupees, so that you need to convert everything into rupees. So, 5 coins, if you take 5 coins as 5x, if you take 5 coins as 5x, so multiplied with 2 rupees, multiplied because it is 2 rupees ratios, that's why I multiplied with 2. So, suppose 1 rupee coins as 9x, so amount collected from 1 rupee coins are 9x into 1. The same way 50 paise coins are, the amount collected from 50 paise coins is ratio is given as 12. 12x into 1 by 2. So 12x into 1 by 2 is nothing but 6x. Total together 25x equal to 750, x equal to only 30 you will get, children. Then once you are getting x value as 30, you need to find out each and individual coins. How many coins of 2 rupees 5x? 5 threes are? So
50.
5 threes are 15. 150 coins from 150 coins, 2 rupee coins. Whereas 1 rupee coins, 9 into 30. 9 threes are? 9 threes are
127.
27. So 270 rupees collected from sorry, 270 coins. So maybe it is 270 coins as well as 270 rupees too. Why? Because it is 1 rupee. The same way 50 paise coins, 12 threes are. 12 threes are how much, children?
36.
12 threes are 36. 36 means 360 coins of 50 paise coins, children. Please, you understand, children, how I supposed to do here?
Yes, ma'am.
But in the examination, they won't ask all 3 coins. They will ask the number of 5 coins, number of 6 coins, a number of 1 rupee coins, or number of 2 rupee coins, or number of 50 paise coins. You can, whatever the question is asking, according to that, you can. That's all for about ratios, children. Most of the questions we discussed in ratios. Can we go with proportions, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. There is a few more applications in ratios. It is related to completely with, yes. Someone is calling. Shiva Pranav. Shiva Pranav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the question? You?
Yes, ma'am.
Shiva Pranav, it's nothing but in your bag there are 750 rupees. That bag contains 2 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins, and 50 paise coins. So the ratio is given here. Ratio of the coins is given. 2 rupee coins as 2 rupee coins as 2 rupee coins as 5 ratios, and 1 rupee coin as 9 something 12 50 paise coin. So 5 is to 9 is to 12 is given. So that you have to try take it as 5x, 9x, 12x. We don't know how many number of coins, so that's why I'm taking as x, children. So commonly you just 5x into 2, 9x into 1, 12x into 1 by 2. Why I write 1 by 2 here, children?
Ma'am, it's
Because
Half, ma'am. Half.
ma'am, half point.
yeah, 50 paise is nothing but half rupee. 50 paise is nothing but half rupee. Everything I converted into rupees, so that I came to know half. Please try to understand, children.
Ma'am, in last question, how we got 9 by 1, ma'am?
Last one. Where Nana? Where Shiva Pranav?
Ma'am, before question.
Yeah, 5x into 2 rupees. Then ratio is given, Nana. 9x into
Only 1
1.
rupee, right, Shiva? So minus multiplied into 1.
What is that 50 paise coins ratio, children? 12. Full x into 1 by 2. Total
1
amount,
by 2, so it will be 6.
total amount in the bag is rupees 7.
750.
That's all. If you simplify this, you will get answer, children. 6x
10x plus 9x plus 6x is equal to 25x. So 25x, b and 0, 30. X is equal to 30.
X value, once you are getting X value as 30, you need to find individual coins. This is 2 rupee coins, this is 1 rupee coins, this is 50 paise coins, right children? Now you have to individually substitute. If you want 2 rupee coins, you have to substitute 5 into 30. If you want 1 rupee coins, you have to
9 into
substitute
30.
9 into 30. If you want 50 paise coins, you have to multiply with 12
What
into
is
30. That's all, children. That's all. Whatever question is given according to your question, you're supposed. Yes, shall we go with
Now we are what we are doing? We are going
proportions, children? Proportions. Proportions are very, very simple, children. Comparing two ratios is nothing but proportions. Comparing two ratios is nothing but proportions. Proportion symbol is proportion symbol
Ma'am,
is
is as ma'am.
very good. Is as. This is the symbol for proportion, children. 4 dots. We can read it as is as, or sometimes we will, yeah. Suppose two ratios, you have to take here, A is to B is 4:6. One minute, children. We'll take some applications on so that it is easy for you. Yeah. How the proportion? So our proportion means comparing two ratios, children. Comparing
different, right?
two ratios. Comparing two ratios.
Ma'am, different, right?
Yeah, say which one? Comparing two ratios is nothing but proportion. So here, how in proportions questions will be happen, children? Or given ratios are in proportion or not? Questions are example questions, how it is started, because 6th class you learned very well about this. Or the ratios are in proportion, or given ratios are in proportion. Given ratios are in proportion. In proportion. What are the ratios given here? You have to check. What are the here the question in question we have the ratios are given, right?
Ma'am, you didn't give the ratios.
Oh, sorry, children. 20:50. Please write down the number. Sorry, I thought I gave. 20:50 is one ratio, and 60:150 is another ratio, children. Is these two are in proportion or not? You're supposed to check it. How you supposed to check? How you supposed
Ma'am,
to
you
check?
have to multiply the means and
Extremes, ma'am, because product of means is equal
ma'am,
to
if they
product
both are
of
yeah,
So yeah, that is
they're
one way.
equal, then they are in proportion.
Very good. That is one way. I didn't teach it proportion concept, right? How we supposed to go with whether these two ratios are in proportion or not?
Ma'am, try to do the simplest form.
Very good. Try to do in simplest form. 2:5. Here 2:5. Yes or no, children? If you simplify, this is
Yes.
nothing but 2:5. This is nothing but 2:5. Is it both are equal? Is it equal?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
that
ma'am, it
what
is
we
equal, so
can.
it is in proportion.
Very good, we can. Or else, children, if general formula we supposed to know, A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. We are going to whether we need to check both are in proportion means product of means is equal to product of extremes. You need to check in that way also, children. Means middle terms. What are middle terms here? BC.
Means are B and C, so B
What
into C.
extremes means outermost terms. What are outermost
A
terms?
and T.
So product of means equal to product of extremes. So AD
It's
equal
the
to
same.
AD equal to BC. This is one easiest way of remembering things, children. AB
These are
AD equal
extremes.
means product of
Ma'am,
means.
we can simplify also, but
Means.
in higher numbers we can use this.
Yes. Not only higher numbers, Ritvik. If smaller numbers by seeing only you can simplify, but any decimal points are happening, then you are unable to find immediately. Even some fractional part is coming, that also you are. Then that time you have to go with your product of means and product of extremes. There are many applications, some children. Yes, before this, we are using unitary method and finding the things. But once you know the proportion concept, you can apply in day-to-day life without using unitary. Directly, you can use your means and proportions. Yeah. Let me take with one more example here. The same bit just before we did two ratios. What is the ratio is given, children? 2 is 20 is to
Ma'am,
50.
20 is to 50 and 60 is to 150.
60 is to 150. This is a simple thing. But if they are in proportion, means product of extremes. No. To 20 into 150. 20 into 150, how much, children, here? Is it same as the 50?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is same, ma'am.
It is
Ma'am,
same.
300 is equals to
No.
3000 is equals to 3000, ma'am. 15
Oh, yes, both are same. Yes. So we can say that we can, we can say that given ratios are in proportion. Given ratios are in proportion. This is the basic bit in your proportion chapter, children. Now we will go with an application part. How applications are very, very important in proportion. The first three terms of your proportion are 4, 7, 28. It's a wonderful, lively questions, children. Please try to understand. The first three terms of proportion, 4, 7, 28 respectively, you need to find the fourth term. We don't know the fourth term. You know,
Ma'am, you don't tell, ma'am. We know how to solve this.
okay, come on, children. We don't know the fourth term. Come on, use your product of means and unknown thing you have. Come on, do the task. How you supposed to do, children? Product of means
Ma'am, the
equal to
answer is 16, ma'am.
yes, product of extremes. Unknown thing you have to take as
Ma'am, the
x.
answer is 16.
So 4x equal to very
Ma'am,
good.
it is 49.
4x is equals to 146. 196.
Yeah, let me check. 4 ones are
Ma'am, it is
Ones are 4,
49.
7s are, so it's 45.
very good.
49, ma'am.
49, right, Mama? It's 49. Or else one simple technique, children. 4 raised to 28. 4 how many times 28, children? 4 sevens are 20.
Sevens.
It is equivalent fractions again. Equivalent fractions. 7 how many times? Same number. 7 sevens are 49. How we are finding in equivalent fractions? That is one way. Or else your wish, children, anything. It's like equivalent fractions, raising fractions, reducing fractions. Next one. There is a cost of 40 liters of milk is rupees 10,000. Cost of 40 liters of milk is rupees 10,000. Children, cost of 40 liters of milk. Children, be ready with today's. I'm going to keep quiz on this concept. Please listen carefully, understand. 40 liters milk is rupees 10,000 rupees. 1,000. You need to find the cost of 72 liters. You need to find the cost of 72 liters. Same thing, children. We know that the three terms in proportion. So here what we are taking, children, how we supposed to take here? How you supposed to write this statement, children?
Ma'am, 40 is to 72 is as 1,000.
Very good. 40 is to 72 is as 1,000 is to x. Very good, Raghav. Good job, Raghav. Come on, x value, please find out, children. Use your technique, product of means and product of extremes. Means middle terms, extremes means outermost terms. Come on, children. Product means you need to multiply 40x equal to 70. Yeah, 72,000. 72 into 1,000 is 72,000. I'm cutting 0, 0. 4 ones are 432. How many times, Nana? 8 times.
It is 1,800.
Very good, Nana. 72 liters cost is 1800 rupees. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ahana?
I'm doing.
Ahana, are you there, Ahana? Ahana. Yes, Ahana, are you there? Aditi? Please, children, respond.
Ma'am, even got 1800 by. Yes, ma'am.
You got the same answer?
72 into 25 will get 1800. So
Yes.
it's 1800 for 72 liters. The milk cost is 1800 rupees.
Before this method, we are using unitary method. First 40 liters milk, you know. You then we are finding 1 liter cost of milk. Then you are
First
finding
we'll do division and then multiplication.
and then 72. This is one way. Before we don't know proportion. Now you know proportion. Directly do use your proportion method, children. Try to use your proportion method. It's very simple. One step. Yeah, please, Danasa. Shiva Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, Chipnam.
Ma'am, for finding x, why we should do only with 1200?
ఎక్కడనా ఎక్కడ రాశాను
Ma'am, 40.
ఇక్కడ ఇది ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్స్ ఇది ఫార్ములా నాన్న ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్స్ అంటే అవుటర్ మోస్ట్ టర్మ్స్ 40 multiplied with x equal to 72 multiplied with 7. This is not 72 nana, this is not 1200, it's 72,000. 72 into 100 middle terms multiply చేస్తాను. One more time I will do. See children, if you write as a proportion 40 is to, you need to find as 72 liters milk cost. So 42 liters milk, you know it's a rupees 1000. You don't know 72. Take as x. Now product of means equal to product of extremes. So 40 into x equal to 40 into x
40
equal
into x is
to 72 into
72.
Raghav.
72 into 1000. So x is equals to 72 into 1000 by 4. 40.
Yes, 72 into 1000.
1000 by 40.
I'll come to you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell you something?
Ma'am, we can cut the 1010 and 4 25. So 72
Yes.
into 25 will be
18 కదా నాన్న
1800.
So 1800.
1800.
Now you understand Shiva Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Nana. Raghav, please tell me.
Ma'am, we should not forget the order, ma'am, because many get confused
Exactly.
with writing the order.
Exactly.
We should write
Exactly.
liters milk for liters milk only and rupees for rupees only.
Very good, very good. See what Raghav said, ma'am, we need to use this. This is rupees. So always we are writing same quantity. Very good, Nana. Good job. Very good. Sometimes children, they're taking 40 is to 1000. Check it like that whether you are getting the same answer or not. But we supposed to not use. Why? Because when you are learning ratios, what we are learning, we are taking ratios of same quantity, right?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a little bit.
1 minute, children. 1 minute.
Ma'am, it's not breaking.
1 minute. 1 minute. I will connect my network just before network drop so that I connected. Is of same kind. Very good, Raghav. We supposed to not write like that. Yes. Did you understand, children? Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm getting confused whether my students are there. Okay. Can we go with the next one more bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, basically basic questions I'm discussing. Please go through the sums if you have anything we are not discussed in the class. Means
End of the class, let's play quiz, ma'am.
okay. Children, this is like a map. You know what is map, children? What is map?
Ma'am, it has,
Media map.
Not only
Ma'am,
media
your
map.
voice is like
Children, am I audible
No,
to you,
ma'am,
children?
ma'am, actually Raghav's voice is breaking now, not your voice.
Okay. Maybe Raghav network issue. Okay. Right, children. What is map, children? Globe, map. What is this?
Ma'am, we can see
Ma'am.
ocean.
Yes. See,
ma'am,
children, a map.
is
Yeah, please. What is map?
It has all the
Map.
continents, landmarks,
Okay.
options and all on a map.
Okay.
Globe is a 3D representation of the Earth.
Very good. Very good. Why we need these things, children? Without that also we can
How
survive.
to use the destination? Where is this content?
No one is not giving an exact answer. Is
Ma'am,
it?
we need proper, ma'am, for
To give the
understanding.
proper
map,
landmark, the map is used, ma'am.
Okay, children, one thing, if you want to see the complete world, you supposed to walk around. If you have some model with you, it is very easy for you to carry also. You can see there, you can travel somewhere and you can take there also, you can see that part. Yes or no, children? You can identify the, you can learn many things from what is graphical representation. Or else a map is, see here, a map is given with a scale of scale of 2 centimeters equal to, this is we are using even in data handling also, children. Please remember, 2 centimeters equal to 1000 kilometers. It is difficult to draw in map 1000 kilometers directly. How 1000 kilometers if you want to take 1000, is it not compatible, right? So instead of that, we are taking using scale. 2 centimeters is nothing but 1000 kilometers. Like that, a map is given with a scale. What is an actual distance between two places in kilometers of distance with the help of map? 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters is how much? Use your proportion. Use your proportionality, children. Yes, can we use here 2 is to 3.5? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. 2 is to 3.5 is as 1000 is to x.
Is as we can write it as equal also, children. Now, so you have to mention product of means equal to product of extremes. 2x equal to 3.5 into 1000. So you need to jump towards the right side. So 1 0 will happen. 35 into 100 means 3500. 2x equal to 3500. X equal to how much, children? X equal to half of 3500 is nothing but? Yes. 1750.
1750, yes, ma'am. 1750.
So X value 1750. So what they're asking, 3.5 kilometers is nothing but in the graph, in map, it is nothing but
1750 kilometers.
Very good. Like that, we can even use in practical application using in maps and globes, some altitudes, some many things we can see, children. Here they're just given as a distance. This is one more application part.
Ma'am, isn't this question from like the question bank?
Question bank also we have these varieties of questions.
Okay.
Yeah, it is there. It is there. Even I checked. There are 2 questions is given. Because it is when we are preparing, we are taking from data handling, children, scale part, how the scale is taken. Okay. Integration is always important, children. When we are teaching subjects, integrating the other chapters in this is very important. Then children will connectivity is happens. Yeah, next one, 15th question. No, sorry, here, which question I'm not sure here. In the school election, Ritvik wins by 3:2 votes. In a school election, Ritvik wins by 3:2 votes. 3:2 votes. If total number of students in the school will be 1200, total number of students are 1200, and 200 out of them did not cast their vote. Did not cast their vote. 200 were they are not cast their vote. They are not utilizing their vote. Maybe they, I don't know what is the reason. And then find the number of votes secured by Ritvik. I want how many number of votes secured by Ritvik. Yes, what we should do? First of all, why these 200 students are something, there maybe their personal reason, they are not because their vote. So that how many voters are voted, children?
1000.
Yes, 1000. Very good. 1000. So 1200 minus 200 means 1200 minus 200 means 1000 voters are voted. In that 1000 voters, what is given here? 3:2. Ratio is 3. Rohit wins 3:2. Find the number of votes secured by Rohit. There are 2 students ratio, maybe it is. Winner always scored as 3 shares as well as defeater always scored 2 shares. In that, how you supposed to find, children? How you supposed to find the number of, we can total 5 shares equal to 1000. In that 3 shares you need to find.
And is it like a 600?
Very good, Raghav. Is it 600? Exactly 600.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please give explanation to other?
Yes, ma'am. Now we subtracted a 200 from 1200, right? It will
Yes.
be 1000.
This
So
is,
we have to,
yeah,
it is, the ratio is 3:2, right? We have to add them both, which is 5.
okay.
So 3 by 5 into 1000 is equal to 600.
3 by 5 into 1000. Why? Because always winner only having a more number of votes, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
That is general sense you have to think. And Ritvik scored 5 ones are 5. It's 200.
203 into 200 will be 600.
Yeah, this is the words received for Ritvik. Like that, you can take your own examples and do this. Children, what's time now?
40.
Ma'am, 643.
Can we go with yeah? Can we go with quiz, small quiz on this chapter, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we'll go.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because if I'm teaching many things, also you want something we have to utilize that. You have to apply those.
Class only, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a minute, children. I'll present that. Is it recording the class?